Here are 5 insane animal encounters that came close to death. Watch this guy get chased down by a mountain lion.
No! Go away! Go away! Please go away! No, go away! Go away! No! No! Yeah, so that just happened. Wow.
This little girl gets snatched off a dock by a sea lion.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Watch this monkey grab and try to bite someone at the zoo. Luckily, someone was able to help him pull away without getting hurt. Watch this guy defend his dog by boxing a kangaroo.
Let it go, Tonks, let's go.
Will you guys pretty please subscribe?